following our YouTube channel, you know that a couple of weeks ago I sent a video which I had talked about how non-academic is transforming me. But today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to expand a little bit further. Today I'm going to talk about non-academics perspective building workshop. The perspective building workshop is basically where you're on the hunt for a problem, and then after you get a problem, you're not done yet. You still have to figure out a way how to propose a solution. Then you're probably all like, oh, I'm done now. Well, there's one more thing to do. Make a video. Then after that, hooray, you're done. And in the perspective building workshop, if you mash all of these together, I call that the unique thought. And to me, the perspective building workshop and the unique thought are technically related. Now moving on a little further, how the perspective building workshop helps me out. Well, I think it helps me out because it helps me see the world differently. Not in the school eyes, not in the teacher's eyes, but in the non-academic eyes, in the problem solver eyes. And if I keep on doing this perspective building workshop for long enough, I think that I could become a different person, a problem solver, a thought leader. And who even knows, someday I could probably even be an entrepreneur. Hope you like this video and tune in for more things about non-academic. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.